Hello, today we are going to discuss surface flow modeling. First problem with the help of finite difference scheme. Before this, please revise two video governing equation d square h by dx square equals to minus q by t and finite difference scheme. Now, today's problem. Here aquifer separated by boundary condition. Here left hand side 112.5 constant head and the right hand side 100-meter constant head. To value tier q recharge 0.005 meter per day and properties t transmissibility 500 meter square day. Length of aquifer 5 kilometer. Now I'm interested in groundwater head at point B, C and D. Head at point A and head at point E known to us. Next, one more thing, that the governing equation here d square h by dx square equals to minus q by t. So here in a linear form d square h by dx square of I equals to h of I plus 2 minus 2 times h of I plus 1 plus h of I equals to minus q by t into delta x. So you can use the value of q, t and delta x. Now the delta x in this problem 5 kilometer divided by 4, so value of delta x 1250 meter. So please estimate this value of this constant term q by t into delta x equals to z. So value of z equals to 1.5625. Now here write equation for node E, node D and node C with the help of finite difference forward scheme. Then you will get three equation. So three equation with the three unknown h of B, h of C and h of D. So you will get the head at point B, at point C and at point D after solving this three equation. Let us continue. So here first step is estimate the value of q by t into delta x square. Okay, for time being represent this term as a z. So here AB equals to 5000 meter divided by 4 1250. So delta x equals to 1250 meter. Next here, so write equation for node E. So for node E in a forward direction E D C. So here I plus 2 C, I plus 1 D and I E. So here h of C minus 2 times HD plus HE equals to Z. Now HC unknown, HD unknown, HE known, right hand side boundary condition 100 meter. Now let us continue. Next node, node D. For node D in a forward direction, 2 points D C, B. So here I plus 2 B, I plus 1 C, and I here D. So here our equation for node D, HB minus 2 times HC plus HD equals to Z. Next node, here node C, C in forward direction, so C, B, A. So I plus 2 A, I plus 1 B, and here I point C. So h of A minus 2 times HB plus HC equals to Z. Friends, we have value of HA, our left hand side boundary condition 112.5 minus 2 HB plus HC equals to. So here we have three equation for 3 points and 3 unknown. So let us discuss the solution approach. Now we are using equation 3. Okay, rearrange equation 3 in terms of 2 HB. So 112.5 plus 2 plus HC minus Z equals to 2 HB. Now here multiply equation 2 with 2. So 2 HB minus 4 HC plus 2 HD equals to 2 Z. Rearrange the term till we get value in terms of 2 HB and simplify both the equation till we get the value in terms of HC and HD. So if you solve, you will get the value of HD equals to 105.468, HC 109.374, and HB equals to 111.71. So here it's a graphical representation of solution. Here at point A 112.5, at point B 111.716, at point C 109.374, and at point D 105.468. Here at E known 100. So like this we can estimate the groundwater head between two known points with the help of finite difference forward scheme.